Hi everyone, this is Steve Gonzer from Run Smart Online, and I'm about to set a personal record not only in building my training plan, but also running one at my next race. Let's get started. Ready, set, go. First, choose what distance you're looking to race. I'm going to choose full marathon. Step 2, when is your race day? Go through the calendar, find your next race, and select the day. How long do you want to train for? Step 3, 18 weeks. Step 4, choose your peak weekly training volume. You can choose from miles or kilometers. Since I'm from the States, I'm going to choose miles. Step 5, to generate your plan, enter your desired finish time. I'm going to go with a sub 4. And the final step, let the magic happen. In just a few short seconds, the magic happens and your entire plan comes to life. Let me show you a little bit of the features that you get when you build a training plan with Run Smart Online. You're able to see your entire weekly view of every single run you're going to do that week, which takes out the guesswork and takes out the surprises for a busy person. Let's say you're looking at your plan and you know that Thursday and Friday need to be swapped. Simply click our shuffle button, rearrange your days, click close, and it's done. You can look ahead by clicking the next week button to look at every single week that you have coming. You can also click our calendar button to be able to look ahead at the entire month and plan out every single day that you're going to run. The great thing about this is we give you every single workout, every single pace, every single strength workout you need to run your best on race day. Everything is tailored to the goal that you told us on the front end, and we will plan out every single run, including mixed runs like this, tempo runs, and even your track workouts will be designed specifically to your goal. Everything is editable, so you can change on the fly as you get going, and even store your training notes to download after the race is done. With Run Smart Online, we're here to get you to the finish line faster and healthier, and this training plan builder is the one thing that you can do to make the next race your best race. Hey runners, if you're interested in taking out all the guesswork in your training plan and chasing down a massive PR, find the link in the post above or click learn more on this video to get started for only $1.